Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious truffle mayo from scratch. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients: fresh eggs, a good quality neutral oil, and of course, truffle oil. Remember, having all your ingredients at room temperature is crucial for a stable emulsion. Using an immersion blender or food processor will make the process much easier and quicker. Now let's get to the heart of making mayonnaise: emulsification. Begin by separating your egg yolks and placing them into a tall container. With your blender running slowly, and I mean slowly, drizzle in your neutral oil. This gradual addition is key to forming a stable emulsion. Incorporate a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and fresh lemon juice to enhance both flavor and consistency. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, if you love cooking and need a convenient way to access all your recipes, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the kitchen. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your mayonnaise base ready, it's time for the star ingredient, truffle oil. Gently fold in your chosen truffle oil. It's important to start with a small amount, perhaps 1 tablespoon, and then taste. Truffle flavor can be quite potent, so add more gradually until it reaches your desired intensity. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to perfectly balance the flavors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.